Yes, Mataji, Vrunda is here.
Mataji, what's
Krishna Mataji, this is Advait.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Bala Vrinda Krishna. Hare Krishna, this is Bala Vrinda Krishna. Hare Krishna, Bala Vrinda Police.
Okay. Hari Bol kids, Hare Krishna. Okay.
Mataji, Vrunda can start.
Yeah,
together
yeah.
with
Just
Jahnavi.
practice all shloka.
Krishna can say I'm Janani.
Vasudeva, this is a practicing shloka. Can you?
Bala Vrinda Krishna can say Janani.
Yes. Yes, Vrinda. Go.
Apare Vasudeva.
Avyagad Ajasya Lakshya Semaya Purano Kodanara
No. Vadas.
Radasya
Cha Surya.
Sura Yusha.
Next one. Mataji, next one.
Okay.
This is next one only.
Next one.
Paravataravatanye Bolo Layo Yodara Sri Janjaburi Varena Jado Yatmani Dodara. Mataji, next one. Mataji, next one, please. This is next one. Next one.
Yeah. Next. What is this sloka, Mataji? Next sloka is?
Mataji, Bhavesmin, Krishya Manana.
Avityam Karmavi.
Mataji, can you
Avisram Krishna Manani.
Okay, they all can repeat Mataji after me, and then whoever want to tell, they can tell. Okay.
Yeah, yes, Mataji.
Okay, from the Apare Vasudeva. Okay. Jahnavi, Asra, others also.
Advait is there. Advait, Gayatri.
Yeah, Gayatri is there. One
Yeah.
second.
Repeat, Vrunda. Come here and sit here and repeat.
One second, Mataji. I'll send the notification and then.
No, I sent Mataji already.
Oh, you sent?
Yeah, I sent the link, right? In that link only I write the class started, right?
Oh, okay.
Today's live class started.
Oh, okay,
Join. I
yeah.
write every time, Mataji.
Okay, yeah. Apare Vasudevasya
Apare Vasudevasya
Devakyam Yachito Avyaghat
Devakyam yachito avyagad
Ajastam Asya Chemaya
Ajasam asvasemaya
Vadaya Cha Suradvisam
Vadaya sacha suradvisham
Apare Vasudevasya
Apare vasudevasya
Devyam Yachito Avyaghat
Devakya Yarido Avyagad
Ajastam Asya Chemaya
Ajasam asya semaya
Vadaya Cha Suradvisam
Vadaya sa
Okay, next we'll do Varavataranaya anne
Bharavatarananye Pulo Ayayirodara
Varavataranaya anne
Bharavatarananye
Bhuvo navaivo dadhau
Puro Nanoriyorada
Siddhantya bhuri bharena
Idandam Bhurivarena
Jato hi atma bhuvartitha
Jato Yatma Bhuvarita
Varavataranaya anne
Bharavatarananye
Bhuvo navaivo dadau
Puro Nanoriyorada
Siddhantya bhuri bharena
Idandya Bhurivarena
Jato hi atma bhuvartitah
Jato Yatma Bhuvarita
Next sloka Pavesmin klishyamananam
Lavishnyamanana
avidya kama karmavi
Avita Kama Karmavi
Ravanai smaranani
Shravanari Smaranari
karisyaniti kechana
Ravishnari Keshara
Srivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasaha
Srivanti Vayanti Harinanti Na
Srivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasaha
Srivanti Gayanti Grinyati Avikshanasha
Smaranti nindanti tavehitam janaha
Smaranti Nandanti Tvaitam Janaha
Eva pasyanti achirena tavakam
Eva Pasyanti Achirena Tavakam
Bhava pravaho param padam bhujam
Bhava Prabhavo Uparamam Padam
Srivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasaha
Srivanti Gayanti Grinyati Avikshanasha
Smaranti nandanti tavehitam janaha
Smaranti Nandanti Janaha
Ta eva pasyanti achirena tavakam
Eva Pasyanti Achirena Tavakam
Bhava pravavo param padam bhujam
Bhava Prabhava Uparam Padam Bhujam.
Anybody want to try this fourth sloka which is I already sent for the revision? Anybody want to try first? Okay.
अपरे वासुदेवस्य देवक्यं याचितो व्यगात् अजस्त्वम् अक्षुषे मायावधया च शुरादृशम् भरवतारनान्ये भूपुना वा ददौ सुदन्ति भूरि भारेण जतयात्मभुवर्तितः भविष्मिन् क्लिश्यमानानाम् अविद्यकामकर्मभि श्रवणं स्मरणार्हानि करिष्यानेति केचनः शृण्वन्ति गायन्ति गृह्णन्ति अभिक्षनाशः स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति तवेहितं जनः त एव पश्यन्ति अचिरेण तावकं भावप्रवाह परमं पदम्बुजम्.
Thank you, Asra. Anybody want to try?
Mataji, can I try?
Yes, Subhadra, you can go ahead.
अपरे वासुदेवस्य देवाख्यान्याचिताग्रयात् अजस्तमस्य चेमाया वदाय च शुरदिशम् भारवतारणायान्ये भुवनावैव ददो सीदन्ते उरिबालेन जातोयात्मावुवर्तिता भवेस्मिन् क्लिश्यमानानम् अभितकामकर्मभि श्रवणस्मरणार्हानि करिष्यामीति केचन श्रीवन्ति गायन्ति गृह्णाति अवीक्षणशा स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति त्वयितं जनः तयेव पश्यन्ति अचिरेण तावकं भावप्रवाह उपरामं पदम्बुजम्. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you so much, Subhadra. Who want to try next? Jahnavi will try. Jahnavi, come. Apare Vasudevasya. Come, okay?
Apare Vasudevasya Devakyam Chitavyakar Ajasta
Ajasta.
Ashashemaya
Badai.
Badaya Cha Sarara
Three.
Disam Bharavataranya Bhavunava Idava Dodo Siddhanta Vurivarena Jatohi Asmai Bhuvashtita.
Okay. Bhavesmin Klishyamanana.
Bhaveshmin Klishyamanana Agitra Klavakat
Mavi. Big song.
Smarana Haniyar
Kriya Karisya.
Kavishmin Iti Kechana
Srivanti
Shivanti Gayanti
Grinanti
Avikshan Saha
Vismaranti Nandanti Tave
Hitanjanaha
Taeva
Pasyanti Achikya Tavakan
Thank you, Jahnavi. Thank you so much, all the kids. Anybody want to try?
Kartik.
Yes, Kartik, go ahead. Apare Vasudevasya.
Apare Vasudevasya Devakyam Yachito Bhavyagat Ajaswamasya Seraya Vidaya Cha Surya Desha Bharavataranaye Bhuvo Navaivo Dadau Siddhyanti Bhuri Bharina Jato Dhyatma Bhardita Bhavismin Klishyamananam Avidya Kama Karmani Shravanari Smaranarhani Karishyani Tikeshanaha Shravanti Gayanti Grinanti Abhikshanasha Shmiranti Nandanti Twamadijana Tayeva Pasyana Keshara Twamaka Bhavam Pravaho Param Padma Bhujam. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Nice try, Kartik. Yes. Rishikesh, do you want to try?
Yes, Mataji. Apare Vasudevya Devakyam Yachito Adhyayat Ajastvam Yasya Kshemaya Vadaya Cha Suradvisham Bharavarayam Ye Bhuvo Navayo Dado Sidantya Bhuri Bharena Jato Hyatma Bhuvatitaha Bhaveyasmin Tusya Mananam Avidya Kama Karmadhihi Shravana Smaranarhani Karishyanyati Kechana Shrinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Adikshana Saha Smaranti Nandanti Tavehi Tam Janaha Ta Eva Pashyanti Acharina Tavakam Bhava Pravaho Paramam Padambujam. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Prahlad, do you want to try? Are you there, Prahlad? Hare Krishna. Okay, before you are not joining, you all can repeat this. So many kids, maybe you may not practice at home. Again, we go to the revision sloka and today's sloka, okay?
Mataji, can Prahlad go?
Yes, Prahlad, you can go.
Apare Vasudevasya Devakyanya Chitya Bhagyat Ajastamasya Shemaya Vadaya Cha Suradvisham Paravataranayanye Bhuvunava Ivodado Siddhanti Bhuri Bharena Jato Hyan Atma Bhuritam. Mataji, I don't know the next sloka. I know the Shrinvanti Gayanti. Shrinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Abhikshasaha Smaranti Nandanti Tave Hamajanaha Taeva Pashanti Achirena Tavaka Bhava Parava Parampadama Bhujam.
Thank you so much.
Can I do it next?
Rudra, which one you want to try?
Apare Vasudevasya.
Okay. You were, I think, joining from this sloka. Okay, you can go ahead.
Apare Vasudevasya Devakyamyachito Abhigat Ajasam Asya Shemaya Vidaya Chaswadusam Paravatara Annaye Vonavali Vodedo Vidanta Bhuivarena Jato Atma Vivorditaha Vafis Asmin Kuryashya Manainam Vidya Kama Karmavi Ravana Smarnahani Krishyan Iti Kechana. I don't know this one.
Thank you, Rudra.
Can Vrinda go?
Mataji, are you there?
Vrinda and Janavi can Vrinda.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Rudra. Very nice.
Mataji, Rudra want to try one time, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Apare Vasudevasya from where, Brinda, you want to try?
Vasudevasya only, Mataji.
Okay, Brinda, go ahead.
Nice.
I'm shy to say alone because I want to say with Janavi.
Come on,
Nah,
Rudra.
okay, they both can try together, Mataji. Janavi, Brinda want to try with you. Go, come. Yeah, come. Brinda, I want to try with you. Apare.
Apare Vasudevasya Devyaga Maya
Brinda, can you open your video?
Paravatara स्थिता पवित्रं पुष्पमालानि कर्म कर्मवि गवेषन् इति केचनाः शवन्ति गायन्ति क्रियन्ति अवीक्षणाः सः स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति ते हितञ्जनः स्वपश्यन्ति अचिरेण तावकम्
Brinda need to learn this verse, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, they all can repeat after me one time. Because before the kids were not joining, I will do revision sloka and then we will go to today's sloka. Anybody want to try the sloka before we go to the revision sloka? Okay, you all kids can try the revision sloka one time and then we go to the today's sloka. Okay. Apare vasudevasya.
Apare vasudevasya.
Big sound, everyone. Can you all repeat after me? I didn't hear everyone's sound. Okay. Apare vasudevasya.
Apare vasudevasya.
Apare vasudevasya.
Apare vasudevasya.
இது பந்தல் போட்ட வருஷம்
Apare vasudevasya.
Apare vasudevasya.
Devakyam yachito avyaghat.
Devakyam yachito
abhigat.
எனக்கு புஷ்லிக்கு அவ்வளவு பிடிக்கும்
Adastvam asya hemaya.
Jaswam asya shemaya.
Vadaya cha suradisam.
Vidaya cha suradusam.
Okay, next sloka. Paravataranayanne.
Vidaya vidaya
Bhuvonavaivo dadau. Siddhanta bhuri bharena.
Danta buri parena.
Jato hi atma bhuvarthita.
Yato yatma vivurtitaha.
Please all, can you all repeat? I still didn't hear everyone's sound, okay? Bhavesmin klishyamananam. Aditya kama karmavi. Ravana smaranarhani. Karisyaniti kesana. Okay, last week's sloka. Shrivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasa.
Shrivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasanaha.
Shrivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasa.
Shrivanti gayanti grinanti aviksnasanaha.
Smaranti nandanti tave hitam jana. Smaranti nandanti tave hitam jana.
Smaranti nandanti hitam jana.
Taeva pasyanti acharena tavakam.
Taeva pasyanti acharena tavakam.
पश्यन्ति अचिरेण तावकम् प्रभावो परं पदं भुजम् Okay, thank you so much. You can practice this. You can practice at home. We'll do revision next week. Yeah, we'll do today.
Mataji, can I have a turn?
Yes, yes. Who is this?
Can I? My name is Shamagori.
Samagori, you want to try? Which sloka you want to try? Which sloka you want to try?
Gayanti.
Okay, go ahead.
Shrinvanti Gayanti Grinanti Abhikshanasa Smaranti Nandanti Tavehitam Jana Taeva Pashyanti Achirena Tavakam Baha Pravaho Paramam Pudambajam Padambujam.
Very nice, Samagori. Learn the sloka. Okay, today's sloka is 1 second, kids. Today's sloka is 1:8:37. Okay. Okay, we go to the word by word. Okay. First, api if.
Api
If. Adya today.
Adya today.
Na as.
Na
From you.
from you.
So Krita self-executed.
Swaprita self-existent. Self-executed.
Ihita all duties.
These are all duties.
Prabhu, oh my Lord.
Prabhu, oh my Lord.
Jihasi giving up.
Jihasi giving up.
Giving up.
Sweet possibly.
Sweet possibly.
Possibly.
Suhurdaha intimate friends.
Suhudaha, intimate friends.
Anujivana living at the mercy of.
Anujivana, living at other mercy.
Living
All
at the mercy of.
Asam of whom.
Yesam, of whom?
Nanor.
Nanor,
So and.
the and.
Nyat anyone else.
Not anyone else.
Bhavataha your.
Bhavataha, your.
Bhuja from the lotus feet.
Ada Bujat, on the lotus feet.
Parayam
I am repentant.
Rajasu unto the kings.
Rajasha, unto the kings.
Engaged in Yojitaha. Sorry, Raja Yojitaha engaged in
Engaged in
Hasam in divinity.
Asham in divinity.
Awesome.
Okay. Api adya. One second. Yeah. Api adya
Nastum.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
swakrite hita
Vakrita prabhu.
swakrite hita
Vakrita tihat.
krite hita
Krite hita.
swakrite hita prabhu swakrite hita prabhu
Vakrite hita prabhu.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
swakrite hita prabhu
Vakrite hita prabhu.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
swakrite hita prabhu
Vakrite hita prabhu.
swakrite hita prabhu
Vakrite hita prabhu.
api adya nastum
Api adya nastum.
swakrite hita prabhu
Vakrite hita prabhu.
api adya nastum swakrite hita prabhu
Api adya nastum. Vakrite hita prabhu.
api adya nastum swakrite hita prabhu
Api adya nastum. Vakrite hita prabhu.
Mataji, you are mute, Mataji.
oh sorry yeah can you ji ha sasi
Ji हाँ Sasi.
ji ha sasi sweet
जी हाँ
suhirdo
Suhedra.
suhirdo anujivana
अनुजीवना
ji ha sasi sweet ji ha sasi sweet
Jiha Shashi Sweet.
suhirdo anujivana
Rudra
अनुजीवना
suhirdo anujivana ji ha sasi sweet suhirdo anujivana
अनुजीवना
api adya nastum
अप्याद्यनास्वं
sukrite hita prabhu ji ha sasi sweet सुहृदो अनुजीवना सुहृदो अनुजीवना अप्याद्यनास्त्वं स्वकृते हितप्रभो जिहाससि सुहृदो अनुजीवना अप्याद्यनास्त्वं स्वकृते हितप्रभो जिहाससि सुहृदो अनुजीवना I'll do two line together. You also try to follow. Okay. Apyadyanaastam sukrite hita prabho jihasasi suhirdo anujivana. Esamna chanyat esamna chanyat esamna chanyat bhavatah padam bhujat padam bhujat भावतः पदाम भुजात भावतः पदाम भुजात एसाम न चान्यात् एसाम न चान्यात् भवतः पदाम भुजात एसाम न चान्यात् भवतः पदाम भुजात एसाम न चान्यात् भवतः पदाम भुजात अप्याद्यनास्त्वं स्वकृते हितप्रभो जिहाससि सुहृदो अनुजीवना एसाम न चान्यात् भवता पदम भुजात् परायणं राजसु योजिताः योजितां हसां योजितां हसां परायाणं राजसु योजितां हसां परायाणं राजसु योजितां हसां येषां न चान्यात्
येषां न चान्यात्
भवता पदम्बुजात्
भवता पदाम्बुजात्
परायणां राजसु
परायं रजसयो
योजितां हसाम्
योहितं
येषां न चान्यात्
येषां न चान्यात्
भवता पदम्बुजात् परायाणं राजसु योजितां हसाम्.
योहितं हससम्.
Okay, our whole sloka I will do one by line. You can also repeat. Apyadyanaastam prakrite hita prabho.
यादिनस्त्वं स्वगृहीते
Apyadyanaastam prakrite hita prabho. Jiha sasi suit suhirda. Okay. Jiha sasi suit suhirdo anujivana. Esam na chanyad.
येषां न चान्यात्
Esam na chanyad. Bhavata padam bhujat. Parayanam rajasu. Yojitam hasam. Adyanastvam sukrite hita prabho. Jiya sasi suit suhirdo anujivana. Esam na chanyad bhavato padam bhujat. Parayanam rajasu yojitam hasam. Okay, kids, you can practice. I will do the later on also. Before that, we'll see the meaning. Okay. Here is the meaning. I make little bit bigger because last time I could not see the. Okay, translation. Can you all repeat me? Can you all repeat after me? Oh my Lord,
My Lord,
you have executed all duties yourself.
all duties yourself.
Are you leaving us today?
Today,
Though we are completely dependent on your mercy,
Though we are completely dependent on mercy,
have no one else to protect us.
and have no
one else to protect us.
Now when all kings are
Now when all kings are
at enmity with us.
at enemy
with us.
Okay, we'll see the sum of the example why Kunti Maharani is telling like this. Before that, I want to go to the previous translation also. Now Krishna is leaving. That time, Kunti Maharani was praying to Krishna, yes. This all the Kunti prayers means Krishna is just, he is starting to Dwaraka. In that time she was praying to Lord Krishna. All these prayers is she was praying while he is going. We can see the picture also, see. And then here she's telling what she is saying. Oh, you have executed all the duties yourself, and are you leaving us today, though we are completely dependent on your mercy and have no one else to protect us. Now when all kings are at enmity. Means, you know why Kunti Maharani is telling? Actually, in the Mahabharata Yuddha, so many kings were they died in the Kurukshetra, battlefield of Kurukshetra, and then now everybody is enmity with Pandav and Kunti Maharani. And then that time, why, how can you leave us, although we are completely dependent on you? Before Shloka, actually, you can see Kunti Maharani was praying, yes, why Krishna was, I will just go the revision Shloka from there, how Apare Vasudevasya, why Krishna appear in this, why, what is the reason you came in this material world? She was giving the reason, yes, Apare Vasudevasya, in that Shloka she was telling, because of the prayers of the, even though last Shloka also, yeah, from that only we can do. Why he born? Because Edu dynasty, they call, to please the Edu king, he born in the Edu dynasty because he was the dearest devotee of Lord. And next Shloka, why Krishna born, that was the all the things is this Shloka, why you came in this material world, because of Vasudeva and Devaki's prayers, or also to kill all the demonic envious people, you know. That is the reason somebody say you came in this material world. And next Shloka also he was telling Bharavataranaaya Anya, means this earth is overburdened, and because of that Brahma was praying to you to come here. That is the reason you came. And then Kunti Maharani is talking. Next Shloka was telling, because somebody says some different, he is giving different opinion why Krishna came in this material world. In this Shloka, Pavesmin Klishya Mananam, why here in this Shloka he was telling to give the devotional service. We practicing, by practicing devotional service, can completely free from this suffering, material suffering, to give to give this by his Leela, when we hear and hear or hear his name, chant his name, hear his name, by this activities we can free from this material suffering. Because of that he wanted to give this conditioned soul so that they can free from the material miseries. You came because of that. In this Shloka, last week's Shloka, see, and then if we continuously hear his activities, and who take pleasure, who hear, who take pleasure, all these people they get, they certainly see the lotus feet of the Lord. They are they completely, they can stop the repetition of birth and death. In this Shloka is and the before Shloka are completely together related, but this Shloka is telling, even though we are completely dependent on you, and you finish your all your work, means he finished all his work. What is the things he done? I have some of the slide, I will show you. And you finished everything, and then you are going, but now everybody is enmity with us, and what can we do? Kunti Maharani is talking in that way. See, you can see some what he done. Krishna, you know what is this? Can you show? Can you tell me? Did you see this picture? What is this? Vishnu. Nicely you can see what he is showing.
The form in the he went to priesthood.
Huh?
He went to the what is it, to ask Duryodhan for one last time to give the land.
Shantiduta, yes.
Shantiduta.
Anybody knows what is this? Did you see the picture? Do you know who is this? What is this? Anybody can tell?
When Duryodhan was trying to capture Krishna,
Yes. He went there to settle the fight, you know. Krishna's desire was not to fight. and then he went. He wanted at least he before began the Kurukshetra war. He wanted to something settle, means with peaceful way. He went and he asked something 5 villages for the Pandavas, but Duryodhana was, he was very bad person. Yes, he was not. He didn't want even to give even small tips of the land, of small tips of the needle. That much of land also I'm not willing to give to the Pandavas. He was saying like that, you know. Even Krishna tried to settle the battle. Everybody say, oh, because of Krishna this battle, this Mahabharata is happening, but they see till the last Krishna wanted to settle this war or not to make this big war, but Duryodhana, he was not listening, and then he wanted to capture, he wanted to put in the jail to Krishna, and Krishna just he revealed his universal form. And in that universal form, you know, you can see Bhishma Pitama is here, all the people are there, yes, and then very few people only can see the Duryodhana, I mean sorry, Krishna in this when he saw the universal form. That time very few people, I think Vidura, Bhishma Dev maybe only could see. I don't know exactly how many who they saw, but I know Bhishma Dev, Vidura, they can see. They can see the Krishna's real form. And next we can see all this Krishna did it for the benefit for his devotees, Pandavas. And then Kunti Maharani knew that you already did so much for us, you know. Here you can see, what is the picture? Do you know what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this?
Krishna.
What he is doing, you know?
Mataji, he's
Dead. And Duryodhana asked
they're choosing
to ask
Okay,
something.
I want to hear from you one by one. Can you raise the hand and call that person? Can you raise the hand? I'll call one by one. It will be okay. Prahlad, go ahead.
it's when Krishna, he Duryodhana, he came first to ask Krishna in the war, to help him in the war. And he came first, but then Arjuna, he sat beside his head, and Arjuna, he sat beside his, when he came a little later, he sat beside his feet. And when Krishna woke up, he first saw Arjuna. So then he told but Duryodhana said that I came here first, but Krishna said that I saw Arjuna first. So you get to choose, and Arjuna, he chose Krishna in the war, even though he won't fight. And Duryodhana, Duryodhana was very happy that he got Krishna, but he won't even fight, and he got his entire army.
Yes. He got the Akshayani Sevana. Even though Krishna gave chance to first Arjuna, Duryodhana was very much afraid. He might ask the Akshayani Seva, all the armies of Krishna. Maybe that will be very bad for me. What is the use of Krishna for him? You know, he didn't realize Krishna is the supreme, and he didn't care about Krishna, and that's why he thought like that. But actually, Arjuna, he wanted Krishna in his side. And then he asked Krishna only, and Arjuna, Duryodhana was also happy. Yes. Yeah, I will show the next slide, and then Rishikesh can tell. Rishikesh, can you tell what is this?
Krishna is blowing the conch shell,
Yeah, Krishna is blowing.
and they are fighting.
Yes, before Mahabharata, he was even helping Arjuna, and then even he went for their benefit. He went for the peaceful. That's how he became a Santi Dut, and then peaceful. And he went for to settle the fight, and then again he gave he gave instruction to Arjuna. Again he's becoming a chariot driver in the this whole Mahabharata. He became a chariot driver of Arjuna. And can you see next one what is happening here? Anybody want to tell? Do you know, anybody knows this story? What is happening here?
It's when Krishna came inside the
Parikshit.
Mataji.
Right.
Parikshit Maharaj.
Yeah.
Can I say it?
Who is this? One by one. Can you tell me one by one? Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, Amos, tell.
So when Parikshit Maharaj was in the womb, there was an arrow coming towards him to kill the baby, right?
Mm.
And so he was like saying a mantra, and then Krishna came to like save, because Parikshit Maharaj's mother was having him in the womb, and she was so scared that the arrow was gonna kill the child. So Krishna, when Parikshit Maharaj said that mantra, Krishna came and he saved the child who was going to be. Parikshit Maharaj. And Vishnu said.
Yes. Madhava, do you want to say something?
Parikshit Maharaj.
Yeah, Parikshit Maharaj.
Is
Krishna
it
came and saved to Parikshit Maharaj. Yes. Yes. See, you can see how Krishna saved every time to his duty. He saved. He became a cab driver. He became a in the side of Arjuna. Even he went for their became his messenger. You know, he became their messenger. Now he's saving their grandchild. Means Pandava's grandchild. There is his Parikshit Maharaj when he was in the Samagauri already told when he was Uttar home. Sustama wanted to kill him, but Krishna from in the womb only he's saving like that. See how he was saving Parikshit Maharaj in the womb, and that's why his name became Parikshit. When Parikshit Maharaj already saw Krishna in the womb of the Uttara, yes. And then when he came out, he always looking for the same personality. Who is that? You know, that's why his name became like Parikshit, always examiner. It means like so many ways they Krishna saved to Kunti Maharani, means Pandavas and Kunti Maharani. That's why Kunti Maharani is telling here to Krishna, are you leaving us today? You have educated duties yourself. Everything is done by Krishna. All the whatever happened till now for their life, everything is done by Krishna. You finished your all duties yourself. Now are you leaving us today? Though we are completely dependent on mercy, have no one else to protect. Now when all are taking, now everybody is enmity with us, how can you leave us in this sloka? Okay, okay, now last time we do the sloka. Okay, last time we do the sloka, and then we'll do one more revision, all the revision sloka also, and we'll end the call. Apyadyanastam. All you can repeat after me, okay? Apyadyanastam. Sukrite Gita Prabhu. Sasi Sweet. Suhedo Anujivana. Esam Nachanyat. Bhavata Padam Bhujat. Parayanam Rajasu. Yojitam Hasam. Okay, one time I want to do one more time the revision sloka. This sloka still kids are getting not, you are not fully getting fully. I just want to make sure you all are getting this. Okay. Apurve vasudevasya devakyam yachito avyaghat swamasya chemaya vadaya suradisham. Varavataranaaya anne bhuvo navaivo dadau Tantya bhuri bharena tato hi atma huvarthita bhavesmin klishyamananam avidya kama karmavi ravana smaranarhani karisyaniti kechana sevanti gayanti grinanti avignasa स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति तवेहितं जना स एव पश्यन्ति अचिरेण तावकम् भवा प्रभावो परमं पदं भुजम् Last one. Apyadya nastam sukrite hita prabho Jiya sasi sweet suhdo anujibana esam nachanyat avata padam bhujat Varayanam rajasu yojitam hasam. I'll choose one person who knows all the sloka from the beginning, Kunti prayers. I'll give to him to chance for the recitation. Anybody knows all the sloka from the beginning? Anyways, can you raise your hand? I know Rishikesh might know, he already left. Yeah, anybody knows all the, not today's sloka, till last week's sloka. Okay, you don't know. How many till which sloka, Prahlad, you know? Prahlad?
Mataji, I don't know. Bhavismin Krishna Manana.
Till that you know all the sloka, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, I will try. Mataji, Brinda, how many slokas she knows, Mataji? Okay, Prahlad, you go ahead from the beginning. And then anybody, if you practice from the beginning, you can get a chance. Okay. Janvi also knows. Last week's sloka only she doesn't know.
पुरुषं त्वाद्यम् ईश्वरं प्रकृते पराम् अलक्ष्यं सर्वभूतानामन्तर्बहिरवस्थितम् माया जवनिकाच्छन्नम् अज्ञातोऽक्षरमव्ययम् न लक्ष्यसे मूढदृशा नथो नायादरो यथा तथा परमहंसानां मुनीनाममलात्मना भक्तियोगविधानार्थं कथं पश्येमहि स्त्रिया कृष्णाय वासुदेवाय देवकी नन्दनाय च नन्दगोपकुमाराय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः नमो पङ्कजनाभाय नमो पङ्कजमालिने नमो पङ्कजनेत्राय नमस्ते पङ्कजाङ्घ्रिये यथा ऋषिकेश कलेन देवकी कंसेन रुद्धाति चिरं सुचार्पिता विमोचिताहं च सहात्मा च विभो त्वयैव नाथेन मुहुर्विपद्गणात् विशान्महाग्ने पुरुषाददर्शनात् असत्सभाया वनवासकृच्छ्रितां मृदे मृदेनेकमहारथाश्रितो द्रौण्यस्थितच्छाहिरेभिरीक्षतः विपुदो सन्त तत्सत्त्व तत्र तत्र जगद्गुरु भवतो दर्शन यत्स्याद् अपनुर्भवदर्शनम् जन्मैश्वर्यसुतश्रीवियेदमानामदपुमान् नैवर्हत्याभिधातुं मयि त्वामकिञ्चन गोचरम् नमो किंचन वित्ताय निवृत्तगुणवृत्तये आत्मरामाय शान्ताय कैवल्यपतये नमः मन्ये त्वां कालमीशानम् अनादिनिधनं विभुं समं चरन्तं सर्वत्र भूतानां नियमितः कलि न वेद कश्चित् भगवान् चिकीर्षितं तवेहमानस्य नृणं विदम्बनम् न यस्य कश्चित् दायितोऽस्ति कर्हिषेद्वेष्यस्ते यस्मिन् विषमामतिर्नृणां जन्म कर्म च विश्वात्मा न यस्य कर्तुरात्मनः त्र्यन्निरस्य यादसु तदत्यन्त्यविदम्बनम् गोप्या ददे त्वाय पितागसिदाम तावद्याते दशाश्रुकलिराञ्जन सम्भ्रमाक्षम् वक्त्रं निनीयभयभावानया स्थितस्य सा मां विमोहयति वीरपि यद्विभेति केचिराहुरजं जातं पुण्यश्लोकस्य कीर्तये यदो प्रियस्यान्ववाये मलयस्येव चन्दनम् अपरे वासुदेवस्य देवज्ञान्याचितो विगात् अजस्तमस्य क्षेमाय वदाय च सुरद्विषां वारावताराणायन्ये भुवो नव इवो ददौ सिद्ध्यन्तभूरिभारेण जतो ह्यम् आत्मगर्वितः शृण्वन्ति गायन्ति गृह्णन्त्यभिक्षसः स्मरन्ति नन्दन्ति तवेहितं जना त एव पश्यन्ति अखिलेशं तवेकं प्रवाहा परं पदम्बुजम् अप्याद्यानास्त्वं स्वीकृत्य ज्ञास्वित् सुहृदन्यजाम् यासं न चन्द्यन यासं न चन्द्यदव्रत
Okay, you can practice and
I'm not that clear on this one, Shoka.
no problem. You really did
Thank
good
you,
job.
Mataji.
You are confused in one Vavismin Klisya Mananam. You can practice at home. You know all the slokas. It's very nice. Very, very.
Can Vrinda do Mataji all the slokas?
Yeah. And I mean, so once 1 week, I'm giving one person who knows the sloka.
Okay, Mataji, got it.
Yeah, I asked Vrinda. Yeah, you didn't listen before. Yeah, we did very nice. Very nice. Prahlad, you are doing very nice. Yeah. Next week, we will give the
Thank you,
Vrinda. Yeah, thank you all the kids. Yeah, thank you. Who knows all the sloka, they can get chance, and slowly other kids who join later, they will also get chance.
Thank you for teaching me, Mataji.
So many kids, they are not joining from the beginning, I know, but it's fine. From where you join, you can also try, okay, later on. Thank you all the kids. Now we can in the call.
आचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की जय, श्रीला प्रभुपाद की जय, अंजना गोपाल माता जी की जय।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरि बोल माता जी।
हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
माता जी।